Have you ever found yourself frustrated because someone on your team doesn't do the things the way you do? Or maybe you've tried motivating someone, but no matter what you say, they just don't respond the way you expect. This is where understanding DISC comes in. It's a tool that helps you decode why people behave the way they do, and how you can leverage those differences to become a more effective leader. The truth is, we're all wired differently, and by understanding these differences, you can connect, collaborate, and lead with greater impact. Let's start with D, dominance. If you work with someone who's driven by results, loves taking charge, and pushes the team to move fast, you've encountered a D. They thrive in challenges and have a laser focus on getting things done. But here's the catch. They can sometimes bulldoze over people in their rush to succeed. If you're a D, understanding this can help you become a more inclusive leader. One who still drives results, but considers the perspective of others along the way. Next is the I, influence. These are the people who bring the energy to the room, the ones who inspire you with their enthusiasm and charm. I types are natural motivators who love building relationships and rallying the team around a vision. However, they can sometimes focus so much on socializing and energizing others that they lose track of the details or miss the bigger picture. Recognizing this can help I types stay grounded while still inspiring others to reach their goals. Then there's the S's, steadiness. S types are the ones who value stability, loyalty, and cooperation. They're the dependable team players who are always there to provide support and create harmonious environments. However, they can become resistant to change. S-types need to embrace the idea that adaptability is a strength, not a weakness. By stepping outside of their comfort zones, they can unlock new levels of growth and leadership. Finally, we have the C's, conscientiousness. C-types are the perfectionists, detailed-orientated, analytical, and focused on quality. They thrive in the environments that requires precision, but their need for accuracy can sometimes slow things down or cause unnecessary stress. Recognizing this can help them focus on bigger picture and understanding that perfection isn't always necessary for progress. We're all built differently, but understanding this gives us the tools to work better together by recognizing our own style and the styles of those around us. You can tailor your leadership approach to fostering stronger collaboration, trust, and performance. So what's your DISC style, and how can you use that knowledge to lead more effectively?